you'll see a switch. So when we tell you to light the candles, please just touch the switch and the candle will come on, because we have a candle memorial in another 10 or 15 minutes. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, may I now invite the former governor of our Imo State, the one we call the Owele, Senator Rochas Okorocha, for his tribute.
Thank you. Okay. As we round up this night of tribute, let it be known to all men that life is an inexplicable pattern of mystery, where no man knows when he was born and when he will die. And this notorious fact is deeply rooted in the fact that every man is created by God with his works, and the talent are the guides. For no man can grow above or beyond his destiny. For every man's destiny has a relationship with God. So let it be with Ifeanyi Ubah. Let it be with the Nnewi-born politician. Let it be with our brother. Let it be with the great philanthropist, the great leader, the motivator. Let it be the lover of mankind and citizen of humanity. May his soul rest in peace. And to you, the Ubahs, madam, and your lovely children particularly, I have not died before, and I don't intend to die soon. But let me say something, that I do know that the Ikemba Ojukus, the Kwemes, and these great leaders of note who have left us, since the spirit never dies, I'm sure, they are having meetings somewhere. And I can only imagine what kind of meeting is saying. And their meeting is Undibo. And Igbo, hear me, what is the likely thing these leaders are discussing now, including the youngest of them all, Ifeanyi Ubah. The question they're asking, Igbos, why do you play the politics of hate? Why do you hate one another? Ojukwu recalled his quarrels with Ekweme, and now they say it is vanity. Iwanyanwu recalled his quarrels with Enwerem, now they are in one place. And so, they are asking Igbos, may you embrace peace. Another thing that happened that is common with these great men is that before the death of Iwanyanwu made a plea to Federal Republic of Nigeria. Ezife went to Villa and begged Nigerian nation. Ifeanyi Ubah made a statement in the same line. I want to say to you, my brother, in whom I'm well pleased, Senate President, convey this one message on behalf of these Igbos who are seated, that the best way to honor this great young man is the release of Nnamdi Kanu. So that the Igbos can go home and reorganize their place. And I know you, Senator Akpabio, that even if you don't want to do it, send this message. For the sake of your wife, who is our daughter, send this message and get us a result. Or else, your wife is not too far from taking back home. Your Excellency, Mr. President, we are particularly happy that you are always coming to associate yourself with things like this. Nigeria still remains very grateful. Thank you, and God bless all of you. My people, my people.
Our Owele, our Owele. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, When they say that distinguished Senator Ifeanyi Ubah is a bridge builder, tonight I saw a very long bridge from the north to the south, from the east to the west. Let's put our hands together for him. Even in death, he's still uniting us. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, in a moment, the choir will be...
Shebi una don hear wetin Rochas Okorocha said. The problem is that whether Nigeria government will obey what Rochas Okorocha said. Even Ifeanyi Ubah, the time when Ifeanyi Ubah dey alive, Ifeanyi Ubah dey beg them, make them release Mazi Nnamdi. There are many Igbo politicians that are begging Nigeria government that they should release Mazi Nnamdi, but they refuse. Well, I discovered now that Nigeria government, they are very happy for this insecurity that is going on in this Igbo land. Because they know say that because of Mazi Nnamdi, this insecurity they happen. And that is why they hold them. And they are sending soldiers to stop all this insecurity. But they know the main problem. They know how to solve the problem. Simple, release this man, let Nnamdi come and settle Igbo land. Let this insecurity stop. But they will not agree. As long as Igbo, they will leave them there, make them die. Do you see? I thank God for Rochas Okorocha. I thank God for him to speak out for the release of Mazi Nnamdi. I thank God for him. Every day, release Mazi Nnamdi. Every day, release Mazi Nnamdi. Most of Igbo top politicians has begged Nigeria government to release Mazi Nnamdi. They refuse. And they will, in this country called Nigeria, they will arrest Boko Haram. Fulani men, they will release them. Now, Mazi Nnamdi and the Boko Haram and Fulani men, which one were they dangerous? They will release them, called the repentant Boko Haram. But they will hold Mazi Nnamdi. They don't want to release Mazi Nnamdi. We are living in a country called Nigeria. Because of Mazi Nnamdi na Igbo man. Even this thing where Rochas Okorocha talk, I'm not sure whether they go listen to what Rochas Okorocha talk. They may laugh. All of them may laugh that place. They say all the laugh where they laugh there for their mind. They will not release them. They will like to hold on there, make Igbos kill themselves for this insecurity that's happening in this east. If Mazi Nnamdi na Fulani man now, they will release them since. If Mazi Nnamdi na Fulani man, since they will release them. They hate Igbo. They hate Igbo. They don't want progress of Igbo. Look at this insecurity happening in everywhere in Igbo land. And they don't want to release Mazi Nnamdi so that this insecurity will stop. They hold on there so that this insecurity will continue going on. Nigeria government release Mazi Nnamdi. Mazi Nnamdi is not the problem of Nigeria. Mazi Nnamdi is not the problem of Nigeria. Release Mazi Nnamdi so let there be peace in Igbo land. Release Mazi Nnamdi so let there be peace in Igbo land. You people should release him.